purchase your tracks today.
What's going on, y'all, man? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Abdul the Barber. We back for another well, actually, this is not a review. This is an unboxing, kind of a review, but yeah, more of an unboxing than anything. So, today, man, I looked up, man. This is crazy. So, I got word that my local, well, first of all, my shop is next to a military base, and on the base they have a Navy exchange, a Navy base. And one of my partners, shout out to Kelbo, man. Kelbo, keep doing your thing, boy. Put me on that the NEX had the Babyliss FX Pro Foil 2, the gold edition, as y'all can see. So I had to get up and get that joint, man, because I already knew, like, damn, I need those. Right now, I'm currently using the Andes foil, which they're okay, but, like, I feel like, I mean, Babyliss is my way. I got the Babyliss FX, I got the FX3s, I got the gold, the regular FX joints, all the trimmers, all the what else do I have? The massager also for when I do shaves and whatnot. I got all the Babyliss stuff, so, you know, why not complete the collection, you know? So, without further ado, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, then I tune back in on my IG and let y'all know how that went as far as the usage of it. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get to unboxing this thing. Man, this joint is crazy, bro. So, it's all metal, which it's probably pretty durable. With the little tab here, we're going to open it up and slide that thing on out. Ooh, be careful not to drop this joint. Oh, boy, if you don't dropping stuff. We don't need this, do we? Alright. So it comes with a little carrying case here. Got the little carrying case, and inside of the carrying case they have a little cleaning brush. Now this product, it's been out for a while. I think it's been out maybe like 2 years now. Stickers, you gotta love stickers. Got the manual in there. I love stickers, man. I got stickers all over my shop here. Got the stickers. Alright, so we got our charging case. Our charging cable. It's a little bit different from what the clippers are. So, yeah, I gotta find another another plug here in the shop. I'm running out over here. And, oh man, these joints. Ooh, here they go. All gold. They go, boy. Living my life like a golden. So here it is. It has the case, the top cover, which is, oh man, this thing is cold-blooded. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's hard, as y'all can see. Got my fingerprints all on it. Now, just press the little button to take it off, I assume. The power button is here on the side. And then you got the charging port, and then the battery indicator here on the bottom as well. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's a little glare, but there you go. Oh man, fingerprints all on this joint already. I'm gonna turn this joint on and see. Ooh. Oh yeah, they smooth too. Very smooth. So I will be getting back and doing a review on how they work, how good they cut. I'll probably do a little short one on my IG page though. But yeah, Babyliss FX Pro Foil 2s. Man, they ready to work. Real compact, ready to go, man. But anyway, yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all already know what it is. Foreign Cuss Forever. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment on that thing, man.